Board meetings. This query trigger enables the user to find companies based on purpose or date of a board meeting. This query trigger is available under Ownership Structure and Governance Indicators section. Suppose we want to find companies which had board meetings for the purpose of capital issues during the period 1st January 2014 to 31st January 2014. To execute this query, you need to follow 5 simple steps. The first step is to select the board meeting purpose. Select capital issues by clicking on the checkbox against it. The second step is to enter the appropriate date for which the search is to be conducted. The default selection in the Query on Dates box is D15. Let us change the default selection from D15 to the date range 1st January 2014 to 31st January 2014. The date formats used in the Query on Dates is explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The third step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSC. The domain All Companies will conduct a search over all the companies available in the Provis database. The domain Companies in Current OSC will conduct a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. Let us select the domain All Companies. The fourth step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box. There are 3 formats possible. The first is the OSC format, which lists the names of the companies without any additional data. The second output destination is the WS, which is the worksheet, which displays the company names along with its board meeting details. The third output destination is the TXT output, which displays the same data as worksheet in a text file. The location and the name of the text file can be changed by you. The default file name is mentioned under File Name. Let us select WS as our output destination. The fifth step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to run your query. Since we have selected All Companies as our domain, we can select any one of 3 execute options. These are Add to Current OSC and WS, Send to New OSC and WS, and Replace Current OSC and WS. Add to Current OSC and WS will add the list of companies which have satisfied the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Send to New OSC and WS will create a new OSC and WS of companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Replace Current OSC and WS will replace the contents in the current OSC and WS with the companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Let us click on Send to New OSC and WS. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. You will see that 2 outputs, OSC and WS, have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. Provis IQ will display companies in the worksheet which had board meetings for the purpose of capital issues in the period 1st January 2014 to 31st January 2014. The worksheet will also display the announcement date and board meeting purpose of the qualified companies for the specified time period. You can click on the Output view to view the selected companies which met the criteria given in this query trigger.